I welcome you all back to my channel. I brought a new lesson for today. Today I'll be teaching you all how to make dialogues in Flutter. First of all, let's get started. We go to the libs and go to new and select dart file. Here I'll call this Flutter D. And inside I'll have my Flutter template installed. Okay, that's the first step in making a dialog in Flutter. Now let's go to the first step. Over the state my app, we'll have a enum called answers, which will have an yes, no, and a maybe. And inside our state my app, we'll have a string called value, which is equals to null. Actually, here we must give simple quotes, and after that we'll have a method in void as set value, and inside it we'll have a string value, and inside it we'll have a set state. So here value will be equal to value, and inside this we will have a feature called AskUser, which will be of async, and inside it we will give it a switch, and inside the switch we will await a show dialog. And inside the context will be context, and the builder will be build context, and it will return a simple dialog. The title of the simple dialog will be a text which will say, do you like Flutter? And after that we'll have a children. Inside the children we'll give a simple dialog. I went wrong in somewhere. Here we have to give simple S switch. Next, inside after the switch we'll have some curly brackets, and inside it we'll have a case. The case will be answers.yes, and we'll set the value to yes, and have a break after that. Let's have another case. Here we'll have answers.no, and inside we'll have the set value as no, and we'll have a another break after that. And after that we'll have another case. This time the answers will be maybe. So it will set the value as maybe. And after that we'll apply a break. And now inside the simple dialog we'll have a simple dialog option, and inside it let's have a child. The child will be a text which says yes, and after that we'll have a onPressed. The onPressed will say navigator dot pop and context, and after that we say answers dot yes. Now let's have a semicolon here and a comma here, and after that we'll copy this and we paste it twice, and inside the second simple dialog option we'll have no, and its answer will be answers dot no, and the third one will have maybe, and its answers will be maybe as well. Now we have made the simple dialog options code. It's time to implement the simple dialog inside our body. Now it's time to implement the simple dialog inside a button that will work when pressed. For that we'll go down inside the body and inside the containers, children widget, and inside we'll call this new text as a value that we gave previously, and after that we'll have a praise button. Its onPressed will be AskUser, and it will have a child of text click me. Now we have given a raise button our method AskUser. The AskUser is a method, a future method, an async method that will build out a switch and implement the simple dialog whenever we click it. It will have answers yes, no, and maybe. When we press it, the value will be changed. That's how this will work. We have given the raise button the text title click me, and let's now implement this inside our phone. For that we must run this application and check the output. So I invite you all to check the output when I build this app. Now I will run this app and let's check the output. It will take some time to build. I'll come back to you when the application has been built. Now our app has been built. Let's click this raise button and see our simple dialog. After clicking, you say click me and we'll press yes now. When we press yes, the text changed to yes. Now when we press no, the text changed to no. And now when we press maybe, the text changed to maybe. That's how a simple dialog works in Flutter. I hope you got a clear understanding from this lesson about how to build a simple dialog in Flutter. is the end for today's lesson, and I see you in another lesson. In the next lesson, I'll teach you about another dialog in Flutter. Till then, goodbye guys, and please take care.